For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital money, that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and influence. Every one of the obstacles and innovative unconventionalities encompassing digital currencies were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano, worthwhile advanced resource. Charles Hoskinson, fellow benefactor of Ethereum himself, didn't realize that he was in for sensational increases when he made ad-libs in his esteemed computerized posterity, making Cardano dispense with all imperfections and impediments, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all hindrances concerning adaptability, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to view a portion of its novel highlights, one supported by a committed group of experts working really hard to guarantee the component of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer necessity. 2 a day in and day out non-stop talk and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the essential hand-holding while at the same time completing any exchanges. 3 setting higher client benchmarks. This digital currency market intends to create substantial profit for every one of its financial backers. 4 being an open-source code program. The usefulness of Cardano works on completely clear straightforwardness as well as exchange secrecy in the organization. It will give unmatched security to dApps and social orders. 5 the zero divulgence proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange method's numerical consistency. 6 the instrument of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to such an extent that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. 7 Cardano can trap deceitful or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. 8 ADA proprietors can procure compensations by offering their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. Cardano People Group is exceptionally forceful in spreading mass attention to the computerized resource ADA upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with ministers, supporters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate procedures makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and essentially influences different industry fragments. Cardano. The new redesigns. There were a great deal of moves up to Cardano's shrewd agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most significant overhaul. The Alonzo Purple overhaul got an enormous change. Brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and changed the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May, yet the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its adaptability to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs equipped for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second. On the off chance that it is valid, Cardano will be the most noteworthy scaling network on the planet. Cardano Value History and Specialized Examination. Cardano is the 7th biggest digital money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a gigantic market cap of $12,953,826,843. The development in ADA is mostly because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. In any case, 2022 has not been ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto ruler, Bitcoin. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 38 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it constantly exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy notwithstanding the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. Subsequent to coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a huge rectification and fell beneath $1. As indicated by our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from here on out. As of now, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative energy. ADA, USD could keep on confronting brief rectification up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano expectations, the money will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per our ADA conjectures. The coin might exchange a scope of 33 cents to 80 cents for the year 2023, where the base cost is 33 cents. And the most extreme cost is 80 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around 56 cents. ADA value expectation 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around 64 cents and 97 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost figure, is supposed to be around 81 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025 to 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $1 mark again, with a most extreme exchanging worth of $1.32, while the base future cost is supposed to be 86 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.09. Cardano Expectation 2026. The ADA cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.17 and $1.79 in 2026, where the previous is the most reduced cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost forecast. The typical worth expected for the year is $1.48. Cardano Value Expectation 2027, as indicated by our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $1.41, $1.78, and $2.15, separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, dealers can procure extraordinary benefits. ADA Coin Value Expectation 2028. In light of past execution and Cardano conjecture for 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $1.82 and $2.78, while the typical ADA cost might be $2.30 for the year 2028. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. According to our ADA cost expectation, the base and most extreme costs might be around $1.96 and $2.99 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is gauged to be $2.47. The cost change for the year according to our ADA estimates is supposed to be over half. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $2.59 and $3.96. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 recommends that the typical worth might be $3.28 all year long. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. The Cardano gauge proposes that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2.77 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around $1.09 according to their ADA cost expectation 2025. In view of our Cardano expectation, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Their ongoing speculation might be depreciated in the future as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA estimate. In view of future ADA cost expectations, digital currency will show a rising propensity. The future cost of a USD is anticipated to be $7.61 over the course of the following 5 years. What variables drive the Cardano cost? Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other digital money, can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is basically impacted by the merchant's feelings and whales temporarily. On the off chance that purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be enormously impacted emphatically. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. In the event that an enormous amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will build because of the marked down supply, subsequently expanding the cost of the token as